We're going to begin this hour with news that has many people concerned all around the country. The Trump administration is taking away federal dollars from hundreds of community programs that can play a big role in public safety. Scott McFarlane obtained a list of these Justice Department cutbacks, and he joins us now to talk about the potential impact. Scott, good morning to you. What did you find out?
Hey, Gayle, many of the nonprofit groups with whom we spoke were shocked by this news. They run programs to combat hate crimes, school violence, and opioid abuse. But the Department of Justice is standing by the cuts.
The funding cuts are far and wide, from a neighborhood crime-fighting program in San Francisco
I've once took lives, now I save lives,
to an opioid abuse project in North Carolina and a hate crime reduction initiative in Louisiana named for Emmett Till. Aubriana Morales, who says she survived a sex assault as a teenager, now works for the National Organization for Victims Advocacy.
Sends a really painful message that this doesn't matter, that their experiences don't matter, that the needs that they have, the connection that they deserve, the healing that they might be pursuing is deemed wasteful.
CBS News has obtained the notification the groups received saying their programs, including for rural crime, senior citizens, and trafficking victims, no longer effectuate Department of Justice priorities. At least 360 federal grants have been halted, touching all corners of America, from Sioux City, South Dakota, to Boston, to Baltimore, to Tallahassee. The Justice Department told CBS News it's confident these cuts are consistent with the administration's priorities, while at the same time protecting services that tangibly impact victims.
Were you surprised when you got this notice?
Surprise doesn't begin to describe it.
Renee Williams, who runs the National Center for Victims of Crime, feared the freeze on her group's $2 million grant would shutter their National Crime Victims Hotline, which receives 16,000 calls a year and will squeeze similar groups nationwide.
From what we are hearing from many of our partners in the field, it means the shutting down of these programs completely, and in some cases, the shutting down of entire organizations.
The Department of Justice says the groups have about a month to appeal and get some of their funds restored. So far, only 2 groups have gotten their money back, including that Crime Victims Hotline. But Gayle, a New York-based group that helps provide sign language interpreters for some crime victims, they've already begun layoffs.
That's tough to hear, Scott. Thank you very much.